If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Plus, it helps us generate more resources to continue delivering the news you rely on. Thank you for being part of our community and for supporting quality journalism.
Good morning, Davao, Mindanao, North, South, East, and West. Before we get started, do me a favor to hit the like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more content like this. This is Elijah Hill, Cacho, your newscaster. For the headlines, weather forecast. Nag-record na ko. Gi-start na ko siya kay wala. Nag-check ko, gi-check na ko. Masigasyong. Gi-check na ko kung ano, na-record na ba niyo? Weather forecast. Southwest monsoon affecting the western section of Visayas and Mindanao. Local news. Establishments celebrate culture in Cagayawan. Road closure for Ironman 70.3 announced. Davaoenos divided on divorce bill survey. PRO Davao Chief Baste is not worth responding to. National news. Realistic budget proposal for 25 acting mayors aim. COMELEC chair link to bravery in voting machines deal. International news. Gershkovich was the first American journalist arrested on espionage charges in Russia since the Cold War. Hezbollah's chief extends condolences to Hamas after the assassination its political leader in Iran. Entertainment news. Squid Game to end with season 3. Maya Rudolph will return to SNL to play Kamala Harris through 2024 election. Sports news. Turkey's understated Olympic shooter Yusuf Dekech bags silver medal and goes viral for insane aura. Men's skiff medal race abandoned halfway through due to low winds. Featured stories. The best beach in Cebu City. Nashville's hidden gem for sandy shore and recreation. Trivia. Fun fact about UP Manila. For the weather forecast. From Wednesday to Friday, 31st of July up until the 2nd of August, the entire country will experience partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms. Local news. Establishments celebrate culture in Cagayawan. In celebration of the 39th Cagayawan Festival, various establishments in Davao City will host cultural activities including dances from indigenous communities and product displays. The event aims to showcase Davao's rich culture and will feature promotions and discounts. Highlights include collaboration with the Abu Manuvo tribe and performances celebrating all 11 ethno-linguistic tribes in the city. The festival schedule includes a wide range of activities such as sports competition, expos, and circus performances running from August 1st up until the 31st. Major events including the Cagayawan Shoot Fest, dance sport, competitions, and a variety of sports, tournament, and exhibitions. Road closures for Ironman's Heaven 0.3 announced. The City Transport of Traffic Management Office, or the CTTMO, has announced temporary road closure for Davao City Coastal Road from August 5 up until the 11th. Due to the Ironman 70.3 event, the closure will affect different sections of DCCR, including from Baguio to Talomo, Bagoa Playa to Tulip Ecoland Drive, and northbound lanes from Bagoa Playa to Corobob Sea Oil Depot. Parking is prohibited in these areas. The Ironman 70.0 Davao, scheduled for August 11, is expected to attract 10,000 to 20,000 triathletes from around 30 countries. The local government has allocated 20 million for the event. CTTMO personnel will be stationed to manage traffic, and affected residents are advised to expect road navigation difficulties. Davaoenos divided on divorce bill survey. A recent survey by the University of Mindanao Institute of Popular Opinion, or IPOUM, reveals that Davaoenos remains divided on the absolute divorce bill. Among the 1,200 respondees, 30.70% were neutral, 25.5% supported, and 25.5% strongly supported the bill. This survey, which included the youthful demographic 55.5% age 18 to 25 and 37.2% age 26 to 35, showed that the high level of awareness, with 46% somewhat familiar to 28.5%, extremely knowledgeable about the bill, despite 11.7 opposing and 6.6 strongly opposing the bill. 65.7% of the informed respondents saw its necessity. Opinions on the bill's impact vary, with 25.5% believing it would be negatively affect family stability and 19.0% seeing a positive impact. Personal experience indicates a need for further public education on the bill's provisions and protections. The House of Representatives approved the Absolute Divorce Act HB 9349 in May 2024, outlining grounds for divorce including separation, psychological incapacity, and abuse. PRO Davao Chief Baste is not worth responding to. Police Regional Office Davao Director Brigadier General Nicholas D. Torre III responded to Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte comment dismissing his 3-minute emergency response time as unrealistic. Torre, in a July 31st interview, deemed Duterte's criticism as a waste of energy and chose not to engage further, stating he is a professional and that threats are different from actions. Duterte remarks made with his characteristic humor and profanity on his 29th of July podcast included desire to slap Torre and dissatisfaction with the recent police reshuffles. Torre had previously promised to enhance Davao's 911 system, aiming to match response times with major cities. National news. Realistic budget proposal for 25 acting mayor's aim. Cebu City Acting Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia promises a realistic budget proposal for 2025 following state auditors' criticism of the city government's 50 billion budget projections for 2023 as unrealistic. Garcia, preparing the budget for submission in October, emphasizes it will be attainable. The 2023 project of 49.7 billion fell significantly short, with actual income at only 9.648 billion pesos. The Commission on Audit noted that the unrealistic projection hindered effective financial planning. The City Council has yet to approve proposal real property tax code revision, which impact budget projections. Garcia, acting during Mayor Michael Rama's suspension, did not specify details for the 2025 budget, but assured it will reflect the city's actual revenue and expenses. Comelec Chair link to bravery in voting machines deal. On August 1st, 2024, SAGIP party list Representative Rodante Macoleta claimed that Commission on Election Chairman George Garcia owned 2 offshore bank accounts in the Cayman Islands that allegedly received funds from South Korean banks. Marcoleta has previously questioned the Comelec's 18 billion pesos deal with South Korean company Miro Systems for voting machines, citing information that 49 offshore accounts linked to a Comelec official received about 1 billion pesos from South Korea banks. Garcia, who denied the allegations, requested investigation from the National Bureau of Investigation and Anti-Money Laundering Council. Marcoleta presented bank transfer receipts showing did the same George Erwin Mojica Garcia, and noted that 22 of the implicated accounts were closed recently. He urged Garcia to resign and announced plans to file resolution for a House probe. Garcia welcomed the investigations, insisting that the accounts are fake and that he will not resign due to false accusations and misinformations. International news. Gershkovich was the first American journalist arrested on espionage charges in Russia since the Cold War. Evan Gershkovich, the Wall Street Journal journalist, arrested in March 2023 in the Yekaterinburg, Russia, on espionage charges. They expected to be released in a prisoner swap Gershkovich, 32, was accused of spying for CIA, but Russian authorities have not presented public evidence supporting the claims. The U.S. State Department soon after designated him as wrongful detained and called for his release. Gershkovich spent time in Moscow Lefortovo prison before being moved in Yekaterinburg despite being convicted of spying and sentenced to 16 years and on July 19. His supporters, including the U.S. government and the WSJ, have denounced the case as a sham. Gershkovich and his supporters continue to deny the charges. Hezbollah's chief extends condolences to Hamas after the assassinations of the political leader in Iran. Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah paid a tribute to Hamas political leader Ismail Haniyeh during the speech on Thursday, following the funeral of Hezbollah commanders Fuad Shukor, who was killed in the Israel strike in Beirut. The attack in the Israel-occupied Golan Heights over the weekend and attributed the Hezbollah by Israel. The recent killings of these leaders highlight the ongoing regional tensions and as Israel conflict with Gaza continues. While Israel has claimed responsibilities for Shukor's death, it has neither confirmed nor denied involvement in Haniyeh's death, which occurred in Tehran. Entertainment news. Squid Game to end with Season 3. Netflix hit series Squid Game will return for its highly anticipated Season 2 on December 26, 2024. With a third and final season planned for next year. The dystopian show, which became Netflix's most watched series, features contestants in dire financial situations playing deadly children's game for a cash prize. Season 2 will follow player 456 Lee Jong-hee as he seeks to uncover the end the deadly game. Creator Wang Dong-yuk expressed excitement about returning to the series, which debuted in 2021 and won several Emmys, including historic wins for the South Korea stars. Maya Rudolph will return to SNL to play Kamala Harris through 2024 election. Maya Rudolph is set to return to Saturday Night Live for the 15th season this fall. With an expanded role, she will reprise her portrayal of Vice President Kamala Harris and will continue through the 2024 election. The move comes after President Biden's endorsement of Harris as the Democratic nominee, promoting SNL producers to bring Rudolph back. Initially, there were concerns about the availability due to her commitment to the Apple TV Plus series, Lot. But her schedule has since adjusted, allowing her to participate. Sports news. Turkey's understated Olympic shooter Yusuf Dekic bag silver medal goes a viral for insane aura. In an Olympic air pistol mixed team competition, Turkey Yusuf Dicech became a viral sensation for his unconventional approach. While competitors use specialized gear like custom glasses and an eye protection, the 51-year-old Dicech competed in every glasses with the hand on his pocket. Despite this casual stance, Dicech alongside teammate Seval Leyda Tarhan secured Turkey's first Olympic medal in shooting. He explained his minimalist approach as the personal preference for shooting with both eyes open and a way to achieve better concentration. His relaxed style contrasted sharply with the high-tech gear of the competitors and garnered widespread admiration on social media. Dicech aimed for a gold at the 2028 Los Angeles Games. Men's skiff medals race abandoned halfway through due to low winds. In the men's skiff sailing medal race at the Paris Olympics, the competition was abruptly halted midway due to insufficient winds. Despite dangerous conditions and high winds affecting other events, officials signaled the cancellation by waving a checkered flag. The race, which saw Uruguayan sailors Hernan Ampere and Fernando Diaz leading, will be restarted at 3:20 p.m. local time, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time, with the course being relocated in an attempt to find the better wind condition. This cancellation offers a chance for teams like Ireland, who started poorly, to improve their standings. Eurosport commentators supported the decisions, emphasizing the need for stable wind condition for fair competition. Featured stories: the best beach in Cebu City. One of the best beaches in Cebu City is Maribago Blue Water Beach Resort. Located in Maribago, this beach offers a pristine stretch of white sand and clear waters, making it the popular spot for both relaxation and water activities. The resort provides various amenities including pools, restaurants, and spa services, enhancing the overall beach experiences. It's a great choice for those who are looking to enjoy a high-quality beach experience near Cebu City. Nashville's hidden gem for sandy shores and recreation. Percy Priest Lake near Nashville boasts several recreational areas with sandy spots, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the water. It offers opportunities for swimming, picnicking, and boating, making it a popular destination for locals for the beach-like experience in an inland setting. Trivia. Fun fact about UP Manila. UP Manila is a home to the oldest university-based hospital in the Philippines. The Philippine General Hospital, PGH, which is a part of UP Manila, was established in 1907 and served as a major teaching hospital and a leading center for medical research and patient healthcare in the country. That is our news for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Once again, my name is Elijah Hilcacho. Good morning, Davao.